How to prevent your super glue from clogging up. Once you have your new tube, using the pin that is provided, you're going to use it and prick the center, and then you are going to replace the cap as tightly as possible. You need to ensure that you have a fabric while you're working with your super glue. Against popular belief, you don't need to always replace the cap, especially when you're working on a continuous project. You can work up to 2 hours without stopping and not replacing the cap, and your super glue tube will not dry up. This happens because you're constantly using your super glue, and if there is any buildup at the tip, then you have your fabric close by to always wipe the tip. When you maintain these conditions, then you ensure that your super glue tip will not clog up or dry up. In the event that you're working on small projects, maybe you're just fixing one item from time to time, then what you need to do is every time you've used your super glue, then always ensure that you wipe the tip before replacing the cap. This again ensures that there's no buildup, and hence the cap will remain clean and there will be no clog up. In case you experience a clog up, gently tap the tip on a hard surface to dislodge the glue. You could also use a pin as a last resort for the stubborn clogs. Remember to store in a cool, dry place, preferably in an airtight container. My hope is that these tips will help you better use and better experience the super glue. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in the next one.